Hey YouTube friends, it's me Natalie with NJ's Toy Box, and today we are here with the Mighty Makers Inventors Clubhouse. So we want to give a huge shout out to Connects for sending us this product, and we're going to be opening it up. This is the Inventors Clubhouse, and this is super cool. On the back it shows 10 different ways you can build it. So let's go ahead and get this opened. So thank you Connects for sending us this product. I am so excited to open this up. Whoa! There's a lot of pieces. This comes with 528 pieces. So we've got this bag of purple stuff, and we've got this giant rod, and then we have the batteries, we've got like the little motor. We got our two little batteries right here that were not included. I don't think they were. And then we've got instructions and ooh, stickers and like little cutouts. We'll take a look at that in a minute. And then we got like this little like tire. What else is there? Some more little pieces and yarn and connecting tube. Big bag of pieces. Looks like I'm gonna have lots of fun with this.
Okay, so these are a lot of the things you can make. There's only so far my arms will reach, so I'm sorry. But then they also have these other sets down here. There's a I can't tell, a craft room thing, amusement park, another home designer, director's cut. We need that one.
What?
Director's cut. It's like a filming studio, amusement park, and other stuff. So very cool.
Okay, so we're gonna build the Inventors Clubhouse last, and
this is very STEM related.
Yes, and I feel like I need like a Tupperware or a container or something to put all the pieces in.
Can you get that?
They're gonna be everywhere.
So this one learns about inventing. It says, I am a mighty maker. And this has Emily and Audrey in it. So, very cool.
So, I'm probably going to need like some kind of container.
I'm going to get some.
Okay. So I'm going to like get everything cut open and ready and probably put the batteries in the motor.
Alright, so we got Audrey and Emily put together. Very cool. They are so cool. So, just to point out here that we had to send Emily to the toy hospital because Mommy broke her arm. Sorry,
You're
Emily.
Such a mean mommy.
Sorry, Emily. I am so sorry. So, there you go.
She had to go to the toy house.
But she's all fixed.
Yes, she's all fixed then. So we are back from taking a break. We took a break and we sorted all the pieces. So we've got like little Tupperwares, which everything's like sorted into different categories, like and here and there and there. We have just some random stuff. This we have all of these like connector pieces, and here we have like all these poles, and then we have those poles in like little smaller versions, and we have everything all sorted in nice and neat and actually like sorted for once.
And we partially did this because we have cats, and as you all know, Knievel likes to jump up here and join us.
And he did that in the middle of it.
And he likes to do that, and he knocks some stuff down. So
so we sorted everything, and we also took a better look at the instruction booklet, and so we realized that all this stuff is like so cool, so we're gonna build all of it. So you can build an animation machine, which is like this bird, and with the handle, you would flip it, and it changed from the bird to the bird being in a cage, and it spins, kind of like a movie. And then there's also a flapping bird that flaps like this, an egg beater, which we'll probably have to go get an egg and show you guys how that works. And then there's an obstacle illusion machine. There's a flagpole, there's a fishing pole, there's a wheelbarrow, there's a bike, and there's a fan. So I'm gonna give that to my mom.
So we got all these really cool different things you can build. It's awesome. And they're motorized and great stuff. So we are going to have some fun.
We're going to have so much fun. And then we have Emma and Audrey here to help us out today. So the first thing that we're going to make is we're going to make the animation machine. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So this and
See the little creepy thing creeping up? This is why we put everything in little plastic containers.
Okay, Emily and Audrey, who wants to help me first? Me! So here's the animated machine completed. So this is what we made. And here's what it looks like. So it's all about like gears. There are lots of gears and stuff with it. So like all the gears as you see right here on the side, the yellow and the blue one right here by the crank, they connect. So it's not just like this thing is pushing this. The two gears are like, they're rolling, and this gear is not connected to this. It's just rolling to this. So when you do it fast,
it looks like a bird in a cage. That's pretty cool.
It also works as a fan.
There you go.
So now we are going to make the flapping bird. So now we'll be right back. We gotta take this hard work down and rebuild something else.
And we'll be back with the Flappy Bird.
Yes. Try this again. That is so cool. I don't want to take this apart.
That's pretty neat. Oh, it looks really graceful from the side. That's cool.
Should I turn it on high and see what it does?
You can. Easy. That's slow.
Oh, wait, no, that was slow.
So what you had on was high? Okay.
This is so peaceful. I love that sound.
That's cool.
I could sleep with this on. That'd take a lot of batteries though.
Mm-hmm. Pretty cool.
Now I understand why this is so cool. The next one that we're making is the optical illusion. Optical illusion. So here's what the page looks like. So we're going to build that one next. So here is the optical illusion. This is super cool. This is so much fun to build. So how it works is there's got a little handle right here, and you crank the handle, and up top it spins and creates an optical illusion, however you would do it. Can you see it?
Okay.
Optical illusion. Isn't this so cool?
Pretty cool.
I really like these sets. These sets are a lot of fun to build. So on this side is this pattern, and if you take off this purple piece that was right here, there's this pattern. So let's take it off and pop this side on, and let's do an optical illusion this way. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that one looks really cool on the camera. Pretty nifty.
So we are back. So now we're going to take apart the optical illusion. So now we are going to build the tree house in the car. So here's what it looks like, and this will be the last project we will be building for this video. If you want to see some of the others, tell us down in the comment section so we can make a video. So let's go ahead and get started. So we got the clubhouse completely built, and this set is so awesome. This is one of my favorite toys of all time. So the reason why I built this set, this part of the set last, is because I'm going to leave this displayed up on my shelf because it's awesome. And all my Shopkins and giftums and all my little figures can play in it, and it's just been a lot of fun to build. So I don't even know where to start. Let's start at the bottom. So the bottom has the stair to go down to the downstairs. It also has this elevator, and which is really cool. I'll show you that in a minute. So the downstairs just has like some grass and stuff because it's a tree house, and then it's just got like some support for the top. So there's nothing really much down the stairs besides the elevator. So Audrey is going to go up the elevator, and Emma is going to go up the stairs. She's going to open up the window for her friend Audrey so she can come up. Because you want to know what? You want to know? You want to know? You want to know? She's coming up the elevator. So she can go jumping through the elevator. And so here is the upstairs. Upstairs is so super cool. So these windows right here do open and shut. All of them do. So the windows in the back, they all open and shut. And these chairs, they have little pegs, so that way in the back of the Connect stalls, they've got little holes so that way they can really sit in them. And then there's a table with a laptop and a microscope, and then there's a bike, which is super, super cool. So now let's go to the outside. Okay, so over here is a zip line. So the girls can go zip lining. So they're gonna jump off the roof. So they've got a zip line, and then there's like a swing tire outside. So super, super cool. Emma's gonna ride the swing tire.
Tire swing.
Tire swing. And this goes really fast.
You can show them how the zip line works?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the zip line is pretty cool. Emma shouldn't do it because she's got a broken arm. And he's like, sorry.
Yeah, sorry, Emily, I broke your arm.
She's like, it's okay. Here she goes. Oh, wait, she's supposed to be like this way. She goes up. Ready? 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 You ready? You ready? Whee! Yay!
If the camera moves, sorry, the cat's wanting attention.
Cats don't always need attention.
These do.
So we're back with the car, and wait a second. Where'd the car go? Why isn't it here? Hi, Audrey. Who's up? Oh, here comes the car. Hey. Hey. How was work today? Today work was good. It was tiring. Oh, it's nice to see you. I worked on the clubhouse today. Okay, cool. Can I go for a ride in your car? Yeah, sure thing. Okay, let me just sit here in the driver's. I'll sit here. Okay, let's go backwards. I get car sick when I go backwards. Okay, let's go forwards. Yay! Driving in the car. Okay, let them get out of the car.
Seriously, this set is cool.
This set is so awesome! Natalie's so awesome for getting this set and opening this up. So we can be together, we can play and have fun in our new treehouse. We can go zip lining, we can drive the car, we can swing in our tire, we can do some chemistry upstairs, and we can go up an elevator. Wah! We can play in the jungle gym. So overall, this set is so super awesome. I had so much fun building the set. Thank you, Connects, for sending us this product. We want to give you a huge thank you. So tell us down in the comment section if you want to see more Connects video. And thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!